Let's take a look at managed care plans. Managed care plans combine healthcare financing and delivery to control costs, improve quality, and coordinate services. They rely on networks of approved providers, with members encouraged to require to use networks to receive full benefit. Common types of managed care include health maintenance organizations, preferred provider organizations, and exclusive provider organizations. HMOs typically require members to choose a primary care physician who manages care and provides referrals for specialist services. PPOs offer more flexibility in provider choice, allowing members to see specialists without referrals but at higher costs for out of network care. EPOs limit coverage strictly to in network providers except in emergencies, often offering lower premiums in exchange for reduced provider choice. Managed care plans use strategies like pre authorization, case management, and utilization review to ensure services are medically necessary and cost effective. Preventative care is often emphasized, with routine screenings and wellness programs covered at low or no cost. While these plans can lower costs and promote coordinated care, they may limit provider choice and require more administrative steps for access to certain service. Managed care plans balance cost savings with coordinated care, though sometimes at the expense of provider choice.